Career in cloud computing or cybersecurity. Cloud computing and cybersecurity.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Are different and distinctive from each other. They play separate yet very prominent roles in the industry and market. Deciding on one can be a difficult task because both share a commonality when it comes to a successful business. Although these two fields are difficult to compare for various reasons, it is essential to understand that each holds great importance in today's market and is in high demand. The knowledge of one serves as a foundation for the other. But starting a career in both isn't feasible considering the requirements and constraints. To get a thorough understanding of a career in cloud computing and a career in cybersecurity, let us look into these two fields individually. It is a common scenario in every individual's life and undoubtedly one of the major turning points. If you are experiencing the same and can't stop mulling over which path to choose, cloud computing or cybersecurity, then this blog is for you. Cybersecurity versus cloud computing as a career. Before answering the question head-on, it is essential to understand what it actually means to have a career in cybersecurity and cloud computing. Let us break it down into sub-questions and start answering them individually. Career in cybersecurity. Coming to cybersecurity first, we have to take into consideration the prerequisites needed to make a successful career in this field. Cybersecurity is something that can and should be thought of as a hierarchy. As in, it is the parent that paves the way to many domains. Once an individual understands the fundamentals of these subcomponents, they can say they have elementary knowledge of cybersecurity. The domains are web app security, IoT security, network security, etc. Before deciding to work on cybersecurity, one should have a deep understanding of technical domains like computer networking. Computer networking basically comprises the workings of switches, routers, subsets, IP, and so on. Then, it is essential to know certain programming languages like Python or Java. The most important prerequisite here is knowing the workings of the Linux platform. These three subfields form the groundwork for cybersecurity as a career option. Let's talk about incentives, an important part of cybersecurity and a good source of income for beginners. Incentives are popularly called as bug bounty by cybersecurity analysts. Bug bounty refers to reporting a bug and correcting it by ethically hacking into the website and causing no harm to the website or user data. Usually, platforms like Google or Facebook reward people for reporting bugs on their websites. At first, it isn't always a feasible option to rely on bug bounty as a salary, as some bugs can be found within a week or might take months too. The best way to practice this is by taking part in hackathons conducted by popular websites where the contestants are required to hack certain IP addresses within 24 hours. It should be noted that this field requires a lot of hard work and strong fundamentals. Practicing this art is essential. Having said that, we cannot hack any website we wish, as hacking is an illegal thing. There are certain websites like HackTheBox.com that helps hackers learn the art of hacking using ethical measures. Participate in hackathons, as these events provide a lot of exposure for the hacker. One should learn the basics first and then practice ethical hacking. Coming to the cybersecurity job, in order to be considered for the role of cybersecurity analyst or information security analyst, it is important to have a certificate of OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional. This certificate lifts many folds. Salary is something that is a subjective question, but having said that, the general consensus is that cybersecurity analysts are paid 6 LPA and above in their starting years. The scope of cybersecurity in India is rapidly increasing as everything is becoming online and data-oriented, and with that comes the increasing possibility of cyber attacks.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.